Hello, in this video we are going to see how do we define our pipeline in our application repository. So as you can see over here, this is my app repo in which I have this .tecton folder at top level. So in this folder I have multiple pipelines. Let me open one of these. So in here I have this pull request pipeline which gets triggered on whenever I open a PR against the main branch. This pipeline will get triggered, and all these tasks will do its work. So as you can see over here, I am referencing remote task in here. This comes from the Stigator catalog org, which we have like multiple tasks defined as repo, so we can uh, version control them, and then whenever any update comes in, so you just have to like update the version of the task, and if there is any changes in arguments and things, you can just go over the task and just update your task according to the new pipeline task update. So yeah, that's how you define your pipeline in code repo. And then when it gets triggered, where you can see is you just go over your OpenShift console and you can browse over pipeline tab, and over here you can see your latest pipeline runs. So and I can open one of the pipeline, and in here you can see all the tasks which includes in this pipeline. And yeah, here you can see the status and everything, the logs of the pipeline, and details, everything you can see over in this pipeline dashboard pipeline page. Thank you.